Hello everyone, this is BSc third year class and today we are going to discuss the polar form or polar coordinates of the Cauchy-Riemann equation. Polar coordinates. So let z0 is not equal to 0, let z0 is equal to x0 plus I by naught, which is not equal to 0, and w is equal to u of xy plus I v of xy is a complex valued function where x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and z is equal to x plus iy. Its polar coordinates are r into e raised to I theta. Now here note that u is a function of x and y and x is the function of r and theta. Y is also function of r and theta. So from this, and also let all partial derivatives of u and v with respect to x and y are exist and continuous. That is ux uy ur u theta vx vy vr v theta exist and continuous at z0 exist and continuous at z0, which is x0 plus iy0. Now here I am going to calculate the partial derivative of u with respect to r. Dou u by dou r. So dou u by dou r is nothing but dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x into dou x by dou r plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou r. Likewise dou u by dou theta, dou u by dou theta, dou u by dou theta is equal to dou u by dou x into dou x by dou theta plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou theta. Now this can be written as ur. The partial derivative of with respect to r can be written as ur. Now dou u by dou x is ux and dou x by dou r is what? Cos theta. Plus this is what? Uy, u suffix y. Dou y by dou r is what? Dou y by dou r is sin theta. Let this is equation number 1. Likewise u theta is equal to ux. Now dou x by dou theta is what? Dou x by dou theta is what? Minus r sin theta plus uy, uy. Now dou y by dou theta is what? Dou y by dou theta is r cos theta. Now this is equation number 2. Now from this we can calculate Vr and V theta. So Vr is equal to Vx cos theta plus Vr is equal to Vx cos theta plus Vy sin theta, equation number 3, and V theta is equal to Vx into minus r sin theta plus Vy into r cos theta. So these are the 4 equations. But we know that if the function is differentiable at some point, then it must satisfy Cauchy-Riemann equation. Then Ux is equal to Vy and Uy is equal to minus Vx. So put these values in equation 3 and 4. We have then Vr is equal to Vx is what? Minus Uy. So Vx is minus Uy, means Uy r sin theta, and Uy is what? Uy is minus Vx, so it is minus Vx sin Vy is equal to Ux plus Ux sin theta. Vx is equal to minus Uy sin theta cos theta. Minus Uy cos theta plus Ux sin theta, and V theta is equal to Uy into r sin theta plus Ux into r cos theta. So comparing these equations 1, 2, 5 and 6, then we have RUR is equal to V theta and U theta is equal to minus RVR is Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form. This is so keep in mind this equation RUR r into partial derivative of u with respect to r is equal to partial derivative of v with respect to theta, and partial derivative of u with respect to theta is equal to minus of r times partial derivative of v with respect to r. Now let us discuss one theorem. So let the function fz is equal to u of r theta plus iv of r theta be defined throughout some epsilon neighborhood upon non-zero point z naught some z naught is equal to r naught exp of theta naught, I theta naught, and suppose that first part, the first order partial derivatives of the function u and v with respect to r and theta exist everywhere in the neighborhood of z naught. Second, part B, those partial derivatives are continuous at z naught, that is r naught theta naught, and satisfies the polar form RUR is equal to V theta and U theta is equal to minus RVR of Cauchy-Riemann equation at R naught theta naught, then f dash of z naught at z naught exists, that is the function f is differentiable at z naught exists, and its value being f dash at z naught is equal to e raised to minus I theta times UR plus IVR at R naught theta naught. So understand the theorem. Like the theorem that we have defined in yesterday's lecture, when we said that the function is differentiable at point z naught if all the partial derivatives of u and v exist with respect to r and theta and are continuous at z naught, then we say that, and it also satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form, then we say that the function is differentiable at z naught and whose derivative f dash at z naught is equal to e raised to minus I theta into UR plus IVR. So according to the theorem, only we have to check that is the partial derivatives of the function exist, that is the partial derivatives of u and v exist or not, and is it satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann equation in polar form. If it does not satisfies the Cauchy-Riemann equation in the polar form, then we directly say that, or we can say that the function is not differentiable at z naught. If partial derivatives of u and v with respect to r and theta does not exist, then we say that the function is not differentiable at z naught, which is equal to r naught theta naught in the polar form. So today's lecture I am going to stop over here. Thank you.